Hi guys, for today's video, I'll be sharing some of my back routine or back exercises. Tara, follow along. So first workout that I did on that day is wide grip lat pull down. Pero before that, syempre guys, make sure nakapag-warm up kayo na maayos. Mobilize your trunk and shoulders to avoid injury. So this is wide grip lat pull down. Make sure you're doing it on a proper form, controlled motion, and don't swing your body forward and back. Next to our routine is reverse grip, lat pull down. Good also for our latissimus dorsis. The repetitions, guys, you can play your repetitions from 15, 12, 10, and 8. So just make sure you are doing it properly. Okay, as you go lower on your reps, you can add a bit of weight. So that's what you call progressive overload. Third exercise is this what I called straight arm pull. Okay, you can use a rope. This one is I'm using a bar, straight bar, okay? Or yung handle natin sa lat pull down, okay? So ang goal also niyan is to have a wider lats. So make sure to do it properly, guys, okay? Next, on our routine, our fourth exercise, this one is for thickness. Old school barbell rows. You can also use chest assisted rows if you have in your gym, so you can isolate more your back. And this one naman is cable rows, one arm cable rows. You can also use dumbbells. So this one naman kaya ako siya ginawa dahil pagod na yung lats ko at ayoko na mag-heavy kasi pagka sa dumbbells napapa-heavy tayo. So yan guys, I hope may napulot kayo ng konti dito sa routine natin and dadamihan pa natin yung mga weight training natin. See you guys on the next video. Bye guys!